Hey, my name is Mike. I said I'd make a video of my '89 Mustang and the ON3 turbocharger installation. I got a catch can ran up to the valve covers. I just got some hoses on it right now. I'm going to get some AN fittings. And I got my PCV valve open to this oil separator with a breather. I'm not sure how well that's going to work yet. I honestly haven't really tested it yet, besides idling. And then I got an air motive fuel regulator running lines to the front of the rails, pushing the fuel out to the back, going back to the regulator and going to return. I got this turbocharger cover for there, and then I got the downpipe wrapped with a cover, a blanket. The blanket's real tight. If you get the other blanket that goes on the bottom part, it's really hard to get it in there. Let's see, what else is there? I got the Davies Craig fan controller for the contour dual fans, and I plan on getting a new coolant reservoir, and obviously I need to get this thing painted soon. Some guy I bought it off of had it all blacked out when I bought it. But yeah, it's been a work in progress, man. I've had, I got 60-pound injectors. I got an MS3 gold box, and I mean, with the the Moats quarter horse, it's a real steep learning curve. So if you guys are not real good experience with tuning, I would suggest probably going with a Mega Squirt or MS3 Gold Box, and it's about $900. So if you guys have any questions, man, just let me know. I know I didn't get too much in this video. My phone's about to die, so thanks for watching, guys.